To our distinguished guest, our former municipal mayor, Nananigay, good evening. Our municipal mayor, Honorable Mayor Manuel Noy Basto, sir, good evening. SB members, headed by Honorable Vice Mayor Nelly Largo Maytokaya. Head of offices, fellow workers, guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you for being here today. It means so much to me to see so many familiar faces as I mark this special moment, my retirement after 21 years of service and government. When I started this journey 2 decades ago, I never imagined how quickly the years would pass. Those 21 years have been filled with challenges, learnings, growth, and ups and downs. I've had the privilege of working alongside some of the most dedicated and hardworking people. And together we accomplished so much for our community. Public service is not always easy, but it is always meaningful. Every task, big or small, has been part of something greater, making life better for the people we serve. This sense of purpose is what keeps me going every single day. I want to express my deepest gratitude to my colleagues, supervisors, friends, and my enemies who supported me throughout this journey. You've been more than co-workers, you've been family. I will carry the memories of our teamwork, laughter, and shared success with me forever. As I step into retirement, I look forward to spending more time with my loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and enjoying life at a slower pace. But I will always cherish the years I spent here and the relationship I built. Thank you for allowing me to serve for 21 wonderful years. I live with pride, gratitude, and hope for the future of this organization. I thank you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to each and every one of us. I love you more.